Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Nova English. My name is Liam, and today we're going to practice English together with a simple and useful topic, talking about your morning routine. This is a slow, clear shadowing session made for beginners. You can repeat with me anywhere while walking, relaxing, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? How do you start your morning? How do you start your morning? Today, we're going to talk about daily morning habits. Today, we're going to talk about daily morning habits. This will help you speak naturally. This will help you speak English every day. This will help you use English every day. Let's begin with waking up. Let's begin with waking up. I wake up early. I wake up early. Sometimes I wake up late. Sometimes I wake up late. Sometimes I feel tired in the morning. Sometimes I feel tired in the morning. Sometimes I feel fresh and ready. Sometimes I feel fresh and ready. Every morning feels different. Every morning feels different. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. Sometimes I snooze it. Sometimes I snooze it. Sometimes I get up right away. Sometimes I get up right away. It depends on the day. It depends on the day. But I try to start my morning slowly. But I try to start my morning slowly. I sit up in my bed. I sit up in my bed. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. It helps me feel awake. It helps me feel awake. Then I stand up. Then I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. The cold water wakes me up. The cold water wakes me up. I like to start clean. I like to start clean. It makes me feel fresh. It makes me feel fresh. It makes my morning easier. It makes my morning easier. Now let's talk about other habits. I check my phone. I check my phone. But not for too long. But not for too long. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste time. I try to keep my morning simple. I try to keep my morning simple. I like to plan my day. I like to plan my day. I think about what I need to do. I think about what I need to do. I choose one or two important tasks. I choose one or two important tasks. It helps me stay focused. It helps me stay focused. Let's shadow some useful phrases. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up late. I wake up late. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I start my day. I start my day. Let's talk about getting ready. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I like comfortable clothes. I like comfortable clothes. Sometimes I prepare my clothes the night before. Sometimes I prepare my clothes the night before. It saves time. It saves time. I check the weather. I check the weather. If it's cold, I wear warm clothes. If it's cold, I wear warm clothes. If it's hot, I wear something light. If it's hot, I wear something light. I try to stay comfortable. I try to stay comfortable. Now let's talk about mental habits. Sometimes I meditate. Sometimes I meditate. Sometimes I pray. Sometimes I pray. Sometimes I breathe deeply. Sometimes I breathe deeply. I try to stay calm. I try to stay calm. I try to start my day with a clear mind. I try to start my day with a clear mind. Sometimes I feel stressed in the morning. Sometimes I feel stressed in the morning. Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried. But it's okay. But it's okay. These feelings are normal. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Everyone feels this way sometimes. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel tired, I take it slow. When I feel tired, I take it slow. When I feel overwhelmed, I focus on one thing. When I feel overwhelmed, I focus on one thing. Let's practice more shadowing. I try to stay positive. I try to stay positive. I try to be patient. I try to be patient. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be kind to myself. Small steps are enough. Small steps are enough. Now, let's talk about going to work or school. I get ready to leave. I get ready to leave. I check my bag. I check my bag. I take what I need. I take what I need. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I lock the door. I lock the door. Then I go out. Then I go out. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I take a bus. Sometimes I take a bus. Sometimes I drive. Sometimes I drive. It depends on the day. It depends on the day. Let's practice useful questions. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What do you do first in the morning? What do you do first in the morning? Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? How long is your morning routine? How long is your morning routine? Let's practice useful answers. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wash my face. I wash my face. I eat a small breakfast. I eat a small breakfast. I get ready for my day. I get ready for my day. My morning routine is simple. My morning routine is simple. Now, let's talk about building good habits. A good morning helps my whole day. A good morning helps my whole day. I try to stay consistent. I try to stay consistent. I try to wake up at the same time. I try to wake up at the same time. I try to take care of my body. I try to take care of my body. I try to take care of my mind. I try to take care of my mind. Let's practice motivational lines. I am building a better routine. I am building a better routine. I am improving step by step. I am improving step by step. I am becoming more organized. I am becoming more organized. I am taking care of myself. I am taking care of myself. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Sometimes I have a bad morning. Sometimes I have a bad morning. Sometimes I wake up late. Sometimes I wake up late. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. But that's okay. But that's okay. I can try again tomorrow. I can try again tomorrow. Every day is a fresh start. Every day is a fresh start. Let's finish with one more round of phrases. I wake up. I wake up. I stretch. I stretch. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I get dressed. I get dressed. I start my day. I start my day. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Talking about your morning routine is simple, but it's very useful for daily communication. Shadowing helps you build confidence, fluency, and clear pronunciation. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm Liam, and this is Nova English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.